What a wild ride, right? The day kicked off in Orlando with traders riding a wave of optimism. Asian and European markets were green. Everyone was celebrating cooling inflation numbers and central banks finally easing up. But just as the sun rose over Wall Street, the mood flipped. Tech stocks led a sharp drop, hammered by rising bond yields and mixed earnings. Suddenly, all that early confidence started to unravel. Then came the big one. New Fed minutes dropped, and they were more hawkish than anyone wanted. Investors quickly dialed back expectations for rate cuts this year, and just to make things even messier, fresh headlines about US-China trade tensions started making the rounds. So what did the markets do? Oil shot up, thanks to more supply worries in the Middle East. Gold, it stayed steady, the classic safe haven. And the US dollar? Rock solid, holding firm against the majors. Down here in Orlando, I've seen local traders switch gears fast. Some are going all in on short-term trades, others just sitting on their hands, waiting for the dust to settle. That's your rapid-fire market recap for June 11th. Hit like if you appreciate these updates, subscribe for daily recaps, and show some love with a super thanks or join the channel for more in-depth trading insights. Stay sharp out there, see you tomorrow.